What is the JavaScript version of sleep? Is there a better way to engineer a sleep in JavaScript than the following pause comp function? Taken from here. This is not a duplicate of sleep in JavaScript. Delay between actions. I want a real sleep in the middle of a function, and not a delay before a piece of code executes. Here is the current best practice. This is it. Await sleep, duration, or as a one-liner. Note that await can only be executed in functions prefixed with the async keyword, or at the top level of your script in some environments, for example the Chrome DevTools console, or runkit. Await only pauses the current async function. 2 new JavaScript features helped write this sleep function. Promises, a native feature of ES 2015 aka ES 6. We also use arrow functions in the definition of the sleep function. The async await feature lets the code explicitly wait for a promise to settle, resolve or reject. Compatibility. Promises are supported in Node v0.12 Plus and widely supported in browsers. Async await landed in V8 and has been enabled by default since Chrome 55, released in December 2016. It landed in Node 7 in October 2016 and also landed in Firefox nightly in November 2016. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.